front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down right away to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again, click on Biometrics and tap on Face Recognition located at the top. Now enter your current login method and tap on More about Face Recognition. Then, after reading all of those instructions and disclaimers, hit Continue at the bottom. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from the screen. Now you can adjust all of those Face Unlock options however you want to. When you're done, just click on Home button. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. So all I need to do is swipe up to access this device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!